Hey, it's me again, your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my page, welcome if you are new. Today I am reviewing a product by Miche Beauty. I think it's just Miche, M-I-C-H-E. This is the viral hair gel that I've been seeing everywhere. It's called Tropical Oasis. It's a hair gel and it's a limited edition. I got it in an 8-ounce bottle. I paid for this with my own money. I try to pay for all my products with my own money so I can give my unbiased opinion about things. Unless the vendor just randomly sends me stuff and I can't help that, or volunteers to send me stuff. But anywho, so this one I've been seeing it on TikTok, I've been seeing it on YouTube, I've been seeing it everywhere. And obviously I have naturally coily hair, kinky hair, and I don't really wear wash and goes that much, but I hear it's a great product for wash and goes or simple styles like that, or just regular gel styles that you might use gel for in your hair. But most of the time the videos I've seen mostly using this product are for wash and goes. Let's see, the ingredients are distilled water, fresh pineapple juice, extract, aloe vera juice, glycerin, that's really good, maltodextrin, and some other really long words that I can't pronounce, quinoa protein, that's cool, and some type of fragrance. I'll try to put it out there for y'all. But yeah, oh, it even gives you how to use it too. But it says how to use, start on clean hair, which I did. Clean detangled hair, which I use my unbrush on. Get one if you don't got one. Start on clean detangled hair. Hair must be wet before applying gel. Section hair into small to medium sections and apply gel to hair. Use your fingers to rake and smooth each section after applying gel for best results. Diffuse or sit under a hooded dryer to set the hair. Okay, sounds simple enough. Pull my little drawer out so I can have somewhere to put this. I'm in a smaller place. I don't have an office or anything right now, but I'm getting ready to move soon. Okay, so it says to wet the hair. I'll get my shower brush. I have my Denman brush back there too. I got my little 4 sections. I guess I'll just part it right here. Let's see how it takes. This is about a 1-inch section. Not even really part, I just pull the piece down. Clips. All right, so let's wet it. Let's wet it. Let's see what we get. Ow! Let's see what we get. Okay. It says wet, so let me wet it. Get my unbrush. Brush it out. I love this brush, y'all. How many years have I been suffering detangling my hair? I have really kinky hair, so the struggle has always been real. So whoever invented that brush, bless you. Alright. It's, I don't know, it has a very light scent to me. It smells like a gel. It has like almost a fruity scent to me. I guess that would be the pineapple. Okay, and I'm raking it through like it says to. I didn't use that much. Wow, I'm looking in the mirror. Y'all see that? What? Just using it a little bit. For my quality hair, wow, I think that's really good. What do y'all think? Okay, let's keep going. No way. Taking about 1-inch section. I forgot to wet it, y'all. Okay, hold on. Why is it not doing like the first one? Unbrushing. Okay. I'm about to say, why ain't it doing like the first section? Follow the instructions, Vanessa. You don't see that? I think it's working. I think it's working. I feel like it is. coming out really pretty. Okay, let me finish and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the last section. My hair got dry as I made my way to the top. My hair has always been longer in the front. This is gorgeous. Yeah. Yeah, go get it. Yeah. I used about half the jar though. I have thicker hair. So I'm about to go stockpile up on that before it sells out. It is a limited edition gel, so if you don't have it, I'm gonna learn to fuse my hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to elongate it. All right, I'll let y'all see a little bit, but this is a tedious process. Whew. Okay, so that was a lot. I think it turned out so pretty. My hair naturally is short back in the back like this. I think I'm meant to have this haircut or something, but I think it's so pretty how it came out. What do y'all think? It does dry down a little crunchy, so but I like that. I feel like that's how a wash and go should be until I'm ready to break the cast on the curls. Of course, when you're ready to break the cast or stretch your curls, you would just go to the root of your hair with the blow dryer, with the straight nozzle, and just elongate the curls. But I think I'm gonna wear it like this. I like it. I think it's really cute. Look at definition. I love it. Show the back. I don't know how it's looking in the back. Hopefully it's looking okay. Well, wash and go. This was by far the easiest one. My hair take forever to dry though because it's thick. But other than that, this is pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty style. Very easy style for the week or maybe even a couple of weeks once you stretch it. Alright, this is the finished look again. I really, really love it. I have short hair. Well, I don't think I have short hair. I just think I have thick hair that's coily and curly because once I stretch it out, it's pretty long. But this product, like I said, I use like probably half the jar. You want this. It's a limited time product. A limited edition is what they put on the bottle, so that means it's not going to be on the shelves forever. I'm going to go ahead and put my order in for like 2 or 3 more bottles because, wow, I think my girls will be able to use this for their college. You know, just throw some gel in it and go. I stretched that curl out and now it's all. But look at it. I love it. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. My curls look hydrated. They don't look dry. It is a gel, so it does have like a cast on it, but if you're one of the people that like to stretch your curls, you could break your cast with some oil. But I'm gonna leave my cast on. I like it like that. And I'm gonna probably wear this for a little bit. I really like it. Do y'all like it? I love it. I'm gonna have to redo this curl. That's gonna bother me. But neither here nor there. I think this is a super cute look. I really recommend this product. I think it's on their website. Well, I'm sure it's on their website, not think. michebeauty.com. I'll try to leave a link to their site on below. I don't think they're in the TikTok shop, unfortunately. But yeah, I still like to recommend good brands anyway. So that's a part of what I do on my channels. So neither here nor there. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it and got something out of it. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe or follow me on my channel or my page. And hit that like button so I know you like the content I'm putting out, and comment below just if you want to just say what's up. That's cool too. If you're not like, oh my god, I love your hair, if you're not those type of people that want to do all that kind of commenting, if you want to show love by saying hey, that's fine too. But it does help the page get more people coming in when there's more interaction with the channel or with the video. All right, so that's all I have for right now. I have several more things to review and put out there, along with how much other chaotic thing that's going on in my brain with nails and quotes and all this other stuff. I want to get everything out, but I can't, so my brain's like, ah. All right, I'm rambling. Okay, that's all I got. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. This has been Van Ziek, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.